Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our video on feature lines. In the previous class, we finished some create feature line. Then the alignment and corridor are still remaining. Today, we will discuss about the grading from the feature line. When we create feature line, how we will grade that feature line. So, for example, today uh, I take a building and we will grade a building footprint. So, like this is the footprint of the building. And this is the bed of the building shown in the drawing. First, I will check the spot elevation, so I will know exactly what is the surface elevation. Already, even I will create the picture line. I will know, but to check what is the existing surface elevation, I will put some spot elevation. So 660 is the lowest elevation this here in the existing surface. Now I will create feature line from this rectangle. I will create a new site. Suppose the building name anything. You must put that. Each time you are creating new thing, you must put a different name. So when you will see after some time, you will know what is the this drawing related to which building are. So the same thing before I will check the boxes, and from here I will select elevation from the surface. Now go to elevation editor. If I click here, it's showing me the elevation of the corner of the building footprint. So suppose our building is inside the ground up to 5 meter, so I will select all and I will enter 655. So it's now I put the footprint below the surface up to 5 meter down. Now if I want to grade this area, I will go to create grading creation tools. The first thing here is set the grading group. The next thing is set the target surface. Then the other set the grading layer. The other thing is criteria. There are different type of criterias by which you can create grading. We will discuss this later one by one. From here you can edit this criteria, or you can create your new. Going inside, click here, you can change the slope or grade, or there is option. The other thing is create grading. From here we will start creating grading, and from here you can edit. From the other option we will calculate the volume. From here you can edit the grading, and from here the elevation. This is the properties of the grading group, and from here you can create grading properties. You can change. From these double arrows you can expand this dialog box, and you can edit inside the criteria. Suppose from here there is a target, projection, search order. If you want to search first cut or fill, so let's start. First thing is setting the side. Already I created a building A, so it's I will give the same name here. uh, if you want to calculate the volume of this grading, you must check this box. So it will create a surface here, and then you can calculate the volume based surface is ngl already this. So I will uncheck, and we can create the surface later. So for now I will uncheck this box. Set the target surface. From here you can select, if there are many you can select by clicking the green box. The layer already, if you want to set a grading layer, then you can set. Okay, let's check the criteria. There are distance grade, distance slope, elevation grade, many option here. You must try or practice from and each of the one. So maybe sometime you need that. And the other, if I go inside here, there is target. From the target you can select the surface elevation, relative elevation, or option. There is many option, 4 option already. The projection, cut, fill, slope, and search order. You must search cut first, and from here you can lock your option. You can change this option from here. Okay, cut slope projection. From here you can change the slope and purple and cut. And for the conflicts resolution, interior corner overlapping, use average slope. If there is overlapping, this will take average area. From here you can create your new or edit the current one. From here you can create the grading uh, from picture line. So let's click on the picture line and asking which side you want to grade. Outside, of course outside I will click because the grade will do outside, and then is asking for slope or grade, so I will choose slope. Slope 2 is to 1 already I put by default, so it's coming to ratio 1. And now you can see it's create the grading connected to the existing surface in all direction. If I see this, you can see the view of this. The wheel of my mouse is not working properly, so from here you can check now the slope toward the surface from the footprint of the building. From here you can edit the grading. You can select any area if you want to change the grade, or click inside any area, and from here you can change the slope of this area. Like this, there is option you can change manually for specific region. Then for the grading value, you must surface must be grading property and specify as from here in the starting I did not specify, I uncheck the box. So for that you must create a surface for this, and then it will calculate the value. From here you can edit the grading for the side. There is option here, and also elevation. If you want to change the elevation, select object, and from here if you want to move up or down the footprint of the building, from here you can see. Now you can see as I move up or down the side slope, according to the side slope the grading area changing. Okay, if I want to check the section for this one, how it this section will be look like. The slope is 2:1, so 2 horizontal So two horizontal and one vertical. So I draw a line and the slope will be like this. So if I move this to the bed level and mirror of the both side, it will connect to the surface like this. So now if I want to check the section, I will draw a polyline here, and per quick profile I must have the surface for this area also. So click on the grading option and go to the properties, and already the name of the feature line appear here. So I will create a surface automatically from here, then click, and now you can see the surface created from this grading group. If I draw a quick profile for this one, there is a style. I will change the style, so there will be, then it will be shown different. For the building A, I will select the design, and for the NGL, I will leave the by default style. And when I draw a cross section, a profile, sorry, you can see how it's connected to the surface. Because of the scale, this look like this, but when I will change the scale, it is looking like 1:2 slope. Okay, for the value, I will go again to the grade. If you want to suppose to change the side slope, you can change, and now then if I change it to 3 manually, now you can see the cross section is changed. So after create grading, you can change the side slope or the slope. Okay, now for value, must say you must set the base surface and the properties. I will turn up the layer, this surface. From here I will select the grading group property, and from here I will select the volume based surface and then create OK. Now if I want to calculate the volume for this grading, you can select the area or you can select the entire group. From here, if I click the entire group, this 19,194 is the cut volume. Because there is no fill, so only cut volume, this is the cubic meter. And from here, from the analyze toolbar, you can also calculate the volume for this area. Select the base surface as NGL, and comparing surface, and you can see the same volume it is calculating. And you can put this volume with your drawing if you want to print or you want to present to someone. You can print this volume with your drawing like this. So this the uh, volume and the grading area. Like this you can print this area if somebody want. So this was today class about the grading. Hopefully it will help you. Thank you.